Every marketplace has a core challenge: handling the money. It's not just about a buyer paying a seller. It's about managing all the complex flows in between: commissions, multiple currencies, and regulatory compliance. It's a job that can become a massive headache, diverting your focus from what you do best: growing your business. This is where Lemonway comes in. We're a pan-European payment institution specifically designed for marketplaces. Our mission is to simplify the entire payment process so you can focus on building a thriving platform. Imagine a marketplace for handmade goods. A buyer in Germany wants to purchase a unique item from a seller in Italy. With Lemonway, the payment experience is seamless. The buyer can use their preferred local payment method, like Ideal or a SEPA transfer. Lemonway handles the secure collection of those funds. But what happens next is the real magic. We create a dedicated e-wallet for the seller, a secure digital account to hold their funds. Lemonway then automates the entire process. We split the payment, deducting your marketplace's commission, and hold the remaining funds in a secure, ring-fenced account. This process ensures that your marketplace is fully compliant with financial regulations, like the Payment Services Directive. We take care of the complex KYC and AML checks for both your buyers and sellers, so you don't have to. Our automated verification processes can onboard new users in minutes, speeding up growth while fighting fraud. When the time comes for the seller to get paid, Lemonway handles the payout with lightning speed. The funds are transferred directly from their e-wallet to their bank account, ensuring they get their money quickly and reliably. So, how does Lemonway serve marketplaces? It's a single, powerful API that handles the entire payment journey, from the moment a buyer clicks pay to the moment a seller receives their money. We offer a modular, end-to-end solution that includes pay-in, secure e-wallet management, frictionless KYC and compliance, and fast payouts. This is all backed by an intuitive dashboard where you can monitor every transaction and a dedicated team of experts to guide you. Lemonway is more than just a payment processor. We are your strategic partner, empowering you to scale securely, expand internationally, and focus on what truly matters: your marketplace.